Wonderful businesses that did so much to inspire us to invest in the stock market. The people who ran these companies are the greediest group of fuckers ever. I know this because we have a lot of greedy people in this country. And the greediest of the greedy are these guys didn't know. Wow. That's really fucking greedy. I wish I thought of it. And as soon as they started bottling it, they said 8 bottles a day. Hey, you fuckers! Goddamn homework assignment. Now I gotta remember how many bottles of water I drank. Fuck you. That's 56 bottles of water. You need a barrel to carry that shit around. And if you don't drink 56 bottles of water a week, many doctors say at the end of the week, you should take a garden hose and shove up your ass. Here's the kicker. You're going to love this. Scientists have begun to experiment to find out the effects of water on our system. Guess what? We're probably drinking too much water. And by the sound of your reaction, I realize that some of you are fucked. You've been scarfing this shit down. You've been yelling, look at me, look at me. My pee has no color. That's because you pissed all the nutrients in your brain away. Your ass is caved in. There are people who walk out of their apartments in New York City every morning of every work week carrying a liter bottle of water in a sling, as if it was a little baby bag. They're carrying a liter bottle of water as if they were crossing the what kind of sea water again? The bottom line is that